What is up, guys? It's Simon from PianoPig.com, and we've just smashed 100,000 subscribers here at the PianoPig YouTube channel, which is absolutely nuts. And to say thank you to you guys, I am doing a free giveaway. I'm giving away this little keyboard. Oh, this guy. It's just a little 25 key MIDI controller, but it's so much fun. And I actually bought it to give away to one of you guys, and ended up I've been playing with it for hours and hours, and I was almost tempted to just keep it and get another one, but well, I may still do that, who knows. But anyway, 100,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I mean, I've only been on YouTube for about 2 years, and in that time we've built up such an amazing community, and I'm just so thankful to have all of you guys kind of tuning in and watching my videos. And you know, it's all your positive comments, all you guys, you know, knowing that I'm teaching you is what kind of motivates me to keep on making videos and teaching you how to play music and just spreading all that good stuff. So thank you again, thank you for sticking around. 200,000 next, and I'm just so grateful that I'm able to teach what I know and help you guys to learn music and express yourself through the piano, and yeah, it's just been great fun, and I'm so thankful for it, so thank you. And as I just mentioned, to say thank you, I'm giving this keyboard away, which you saw a little demo at the beginning. It's quite nice. It's just got 25 keys. It's like synth action, so it's kind of not heavy weighted obviously, but just they've got a bit of spring to them. Yeah, it's really fun. It's tiny, so you can literally put it in your bag with your laptop. You can play the PianoPig intro. And it's just a lot of fun, especially to practice your soloing, as it kind of forces you to have one melodic voice. But yeah, it's good fun. So I'm giving this away, and to enter in, there will be a link in the description below with a little box thing where you can have lots of different entries for just doing random stuff like liking us on Facebook or whatever. But click the link, find out all the information, put in your entries, and I'll be running this for about 10 days, I think. Yeah, call it 10 days. I'm actually going on holiday, and I might take this with me because it's such good fun. And then when I get back, I will post this out to whoever has won it. So yeah, if you want to see some cool videos with me playing this in weird places, then check out my Instagram. So yeah, that is literally it, guys. Just a quick video to say thank you so much for following along with the channel, tuning in, subscribing, liking the videos, whatever it is that you do, and to give one of you lucky guys this cool keyboard. So that's it for today. Thank you again, and check out the description to find out details about the giveaway. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.